So welcome back to Bioad 6 channel. I'm William, and today we'll work again on the daily rally. I think I've shown you in previous videos, a couple of clips maybe, the gauge cluster. This thing is messed up. Look, 843,500 kilometers. That ain't correct. So I have a new one that is correct. So yeah, that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to swap the gauge clusters, and that's basically it. I'm going to show you how to do it, and maybe do it voiceover or tell it like this, but maybe voiceover is easier, but we'll see how the filming goes. Inside the car filming is also a bit tricky with lighting, that's why I'm outside today. Good weather, so let's get started. So let's first have a look at the new one I've got. This is the exact same one that I have in here, but it's not the exact one I usually think. This is not a GTI cluster. If you can see, it has an oil light instead of a gauge, and a temperature light instead of a gauge. Finding this exact one was more difficult than I thought. So I've been driving around with the clicking thing, and if you see, I'm standing still, I'm doing 98 kilometers an hour. Yeah, that ain't correct. And I also put LED lights in the back, which I'm probably going to show you right now, might as well. So what I have over here are the LEDs what I was just talking about. I bought a bag of them on the internet. This is what they look like. They're all bright white LEDs and the same size as the normal ones. As you know, the cluster lights for the 205 aren't that bad, but it's not great either. So I decided to give this a try. If I don't like it, the originals are not going to get thrown away. They're going to go in this bag. So just in case. But I just wanted to try this. So let's put them in. And with that, yeah, now take that thing out. There's a screw under here, screw under here, and a bunch of screws anywhere else. I have to look into it. I haven't done this in quite a while, so let's see how it goes. Oh, what? Come on, man. after a bit of wiggling, and I think there's like a bolt here that's missing or something, but it's clamped on. I can just remove the shroud off, but this one is, I just didn't even realize that mine was broken. Okay, but let's take it off somehow. Oh yeah, hold on, yeah. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna use both hands now. And now with the insticker, the shroud is off, pinnacle, whatever. You can see, screw over there, screw over there, and a bunch of connectors. And that's about it, basically. So let's take that thing off. So, old one out, let's put the new one in. So that is in. Hopefully that speedo cable is good. It did not look great. Now let's see if those LED lights are any good. look at that in the dark, so we'll see. Now with the shroud back on, and I have the clamps back in place, which can be a bit annoying because it's just clamped, of course. I think that was it. Good. And just like that, it's all in. Of course this thing broke. Wanna order a new one or just leave it, doesn't matter. Put this thing back in, that thing just comes out. Really easy, as you can see. So yeah, simple video. Hope you learned. If you actually specifically looked at the video, hopefully it's informative and you know how to do it now. Like if I want to see more. I want to thank you all for watching. Like if you want to see more, and hopefully see you in the next one. Later on.